friends, especially to Ate and Leyte. Yan. It's all about time, Ate. Me and YP are happy to congratulate you on your channel monetization.
Thank you for all your support, generosity, and loyalty, because you have been a member of Ambitiosong Vloggers channel since he started launching his channel membership. Thank you for everything, Ate.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ate, and congratulations. Be happy. Give smile to others. Rest assured, we can support you as well. Thank you, Ate.
Ayan, sa aking sister and real life na si Virgie Rosende. Say congratulations. Ayan, nag-monetize ka na rin sa wakas. At mababas-bawasan na yung pagpupuyat mo. At ikaw rin ang may pakana kung bakit napasok ako dito sa YT na to. Pero nandito na tayo, so siguro ituloy-tuloy na lang natin to. Tapos, pag-igihan mo na lang din. More videos pa. Live stream. Yun. At yun, salamat din kasi dinala mo ako dito sa ano na to. At dahil dyan, nagpakulot pa ako dahil gusto ko prepare ako sa'yo. Ayan, congratulations ulit.
So, ayun, congratulations, Sisi Virgie, dahil ikaw ay na-monetize na. Yay! Abot hanggang doon yung aking happiness. So, congratulations, dahil ikaw ay na-monetize na. Welcome to YouTube Partner Program. At maraming thank you din po sa lahat ng tumulong kay Sis Virgie sa pag-reach ng kanyang WH, especially kay Ambitiosong Vloggers, sa admin namin, sa Team Tugnaw, sa lahat ng mga tumulong. At thank you so much, Sisi, dahil lagi ka andyan, nag-a-advise sa akin, nakikinig sa akin, at nagsusupport din sa aking channels. Once again, congratulations and good luck. God bless. Stay connected. Sisi, I love you so much. Take care always.
Hi, Ate Virgie. Congratulations for being monetized. I'm so proud of you. You deserve all your hard works. More blessing to come and God bless. At sana wag kang magbabago na rin. Yun. Maraming
Hello,
salamat.
Madam Virgie. Congratulations at finally na-monetize na ang iyong channel. Congratulations kasi nag-paid off na ang iyong hard work. So finally, you will start earning with your YouTube channel. So my advice is continue uploading new videos and also continue the support that you have given to the rest of the channels kasi kung ano yung binibigay mo sa iyong kapwa na YouTuber or content creator, babalik din sa iyo. So the same support will be given to you. So thank you so much for all your support to my channel, Travel Solo channel, for being one of my members, and also for the super chats that you have given, for your generosity. Thank you so much, Madam Virgie Rosende. You deserve this monetization. So yun lang. Maraming salamat uli and congratulations.
Hi guys! This is Junis Lagadag, guys. And for today, meron lang tayong i-greet ang ating kaibigan na na-monetize na siya, and welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Si Madam Virgie Rosende. Yay! Ano siya? She is a newly monetized channel. I would like to congratulate with this young, beautiful woman and very hardworking na si Madam Virgie Rosende. Congratulations, ma'am, and I hope you will be enjoying doing some videos, upload videos. What I always advise them to those na monetize and then mag-asa akin ng mga video, videos, messages, I would like you to do some consistency sa pag-upload ng mga video. Huwag magiging tired, huwag magiging lazy sa pagiging consistent. Think always na what you love doing, and then mag-isip kaagad sa anong mga next na gagawin, mga mukbang or mga challenges or mga pranks, everything that you can upload. Whatever it is, people will love as long as you have consistency and make a proper one. And then kung gusto mo mag-live, do it for live. Then make a consistent of your time. Congratulations once again. And I'm so happy and so proud of you because I saw how hardworking you are. Nakikita kita sa iba't ibang live streamer na grabe talaga grabe talaga dumidikit, grabe talaga makipag-cooperate. And thank you so much being a friend of mine here in YTN. Salamat. Madam Virgie Rosende, once again, I would like you to congratulate and then welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Enjoy being as a monetized channel. I love you so much, Madam Virgie Rosende, and congratulations once again. O, diba, paulit-ulit na. Bongga na. Paulit-ulit na ba? Diba, ang dami na nating YouTuber. Basta lang talaga, be positive and push until makamit natin. And don't forget always to support someone that needed your support. So, support lang tayo dito, Madam Virgie Rosende. So, maraming salamat po at sana i-congratulate natin at supportahan pa natin ang content ni Madam Virgie Rosende. Once again, this is Junris Blagadag saying, stay humble, stay positive, guys. Bye! Paalam and enjoy Madam Virgie Rosende for you being as a monetized channel. Yay!
Ayan, Ate Virgie. Ayan, I want to congratulate you, Ate Virgie, for being monetized channels on YouTube. Finally, sa tagal-tagal ng pag-aantay mo or sa tagal-tagal ng inantay natin at nangyari na at natupad na, isa ka ng monetized channel, isa ka ng ganap na YouTuber. Ika nga nila, pag na-reach mo ang monetization is ganap ka ng YouTuber o lisensyado ka ng isang YouTuber. So, Ate Virgie, I want to say thank you for helping me as well. Dahil din sa pagpi-play mo sa akin or sa pagtulong mo sa akin is naging monetized channel din ako. And always remember, Ate Virgie, that Kuya Kim is always here to support you din. Hindi lang ako or marami pa kaming kaibigan mo na susuportahan ka. And keep safe, Ate Virgie, and keep doing more contents na mapapaligaya or mapapasaya mo ang mga manonood sa mga videos mo. Anyway, Ate Virgie, congratulations for being monetized channels on YouTube. Keep safe and
Hello
God bless.
everyone, I'm Burdok16. Welcome to my live. Okay, joke lang. So, gusto ko lang congratulations si Mami Virgie Rosende kasi finally, monetize na ang kanyang channel. Yan, congratulations sa iyo, Mami Virgie Rosende. Deserve mo yan na monetize na yung channel kasi napakasipag mo. So, ito na yung pinagpaguran mo, pinagpuyatan. Alam ko yung puyat, yung ay bag, minsan nakakatulog ka minsan habang nangingisda ka. Ayan, congratulations Mami Virgie Rosende. So ito na start ng journey mo dito sa YT World. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng mas maraming subscriber, more content or more vlog para sa iyong channel, and mas maraming blessing na dumating para sa iyo. Napaka-supportive mo. Lalo sa mga naging live stream, napaka-generous. Then talaga nag-stay sa isang live stream hanggang matapos. And then kinabukasan, babalik ulit. Yan, thank you so much, Mami Virgie, dahil nakilala ka na dito sa YT World. Thank you so much sa pag-support mo sa akin. Sa akin channel, Burnok16. Thank you so much, Mami Virgie. And sana, magkaroon pa ng mas more blessing na dumating para sa iyo. Yun lang, Mami Virgie. Ingat always, stay safe, and God bless you. Bye! Love!
Madam Virgie Rosende. Char! Anyway, guys, yeah, congratulations, Madam Virgie Rosende. Finally, nagbunga na ang iyong pagtsatsaga. And, masasabi ko, congratulations. Congratulations for being a monetized channel. Guys, supportahan natin si Madam Virgie Rosende. Pagpatuloy natin yung suporta sa kanya. Yun, alagaan lang dam ang binigay na blessing sa atin. At andito lang kami to support you all the way because you supported also us. So tayo lang ang magtutulungan. Let's celebrate everyone. Cheers for Madam Rosende. Yay! Congratulations, dam. I love you. Magpapakalasing ako.
Mega love shout out. This is Pure Stone Heart all the way from United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. I just want to say congratulations to Virgie Rosende that finally nagiging monetize na ang channel mo. Ayan. Sa pag-work hard mo, nagiging monetize yan. Thank you so much also for being supportive sa lahat ng mga channel na nagiging part mo, lalo na sa channel ko for always visiting me every now and then. Napakalaking bagay po ang pagsusuporta mo sa akin. I really appreciate every time you come to my LS. Kaya I know for sure na lalago pa yung channel mo kasi napaka-supportive mo. Continue growing your channel. Ayan, love all the way from United Arab Emirates. Once again, Pure Stoneheart saying congratulations to Virgie Rosende. God bless. Spread love and positivity.